Hi guys, welcome to Travel with Austin. I'm Austin. Today we are here in Johnstown, Ohio, and we are going to be taking a look at another one of the houses that Intel bought. Now, this is a series of multiple houses that Intel bought out to build a chip making plant here. Now, from what I understand, these people were paid rather handsomely. Still, it does always suck when someone has to be displaced, whether they're paid well or not. Now this house is actually pretty interesting because the grass looks maintained, but you can see the flagpole has been ripped out of the ground, the doors are wide open, and there's still stuff left behind. So let's go ahead and take a quick explore of this former home. So one of the first things I notice is it looks like they had a doorbell that allowed you to speak through it, which I know nowadays with Ring, wow. With Ring, that's not abnormal, but that's a much older system. This house is already so interesting. So, all of these houses have had a fireplace in them. You can see still some couches left behind. Kind of surprised they didn't take those. Couches are not cheap. And then here is the back porch sunroom, which you can see some of the glass is of course broken. Now, so we walk here into the kitchen. Wow, this still has an oven. It still has a fridge. Look at that window, I really love that window. And it does look like maybe they're gonna come back and get this, because it is covered up. Maybe though. Oh, there's still magnets. Wow. And look at this old talk, listen, AM, FM radio thing. That is super cool. There is the garage door openers. I'm pretty sure the garage door has been wiped out. And then there is a bless my little kitchen, Lord, and warm it with your love. Love. I think I said that weird. Now, so we go in here. Still, there's more stuff left behind, including a in memoriam from someone who died in 2007, and a box for a PlayStation Classic. Wow. Here we have one of the bathrooms. This is quite an interesting design. Ooh. Got the nice teal blue toilet and bathtub. And a sink here. We have an older mirror here. Nice little cubby area. But then you can come out here and still wash your hands without it. And look, they even left soap behind. Wow, okay, I can't show that because it is a DMV receipt. But it's from 2010. Another area here with its own bathroom and a couch. And here is the intercom system. My friend's house had one of those growing up by, I think it's called Nuotone, but I don't think it ever worked. But I was still so obsessed with the idea of just being able to page someone in a different room. Although that sounds kind of silly since even back then, we had cell phones. There seems to be one in just about every room of this house. So, we are entering the bedrooms. You know, coat hangers left behind, a rug. Nothing too insane here. Looks like this may have been a child's room. See, GoPro, Roku. They really loved Roku. Ohio Start. And Apple, and then there's a 37 hidden on the door still. Another room here, you can see we've got some Ohio State decorations, but also some Steelers decorations. Does look like stuff was left behind. Oh no, someone left their inhaler behind. That's not good. Some Yu-Gi-Oh cards and baseball cards. Man, this is so weird, because I imagine if they were still a kid, they would definitely not want to leave these behind. Let me see what toy this is. So this is from Minions: The Rise of Gru. I don't remember when that movie came out, and have not seen it, so maybe someone who has seen it can comment down below when it came out. Again, these houses were lived in very recently, so it's not like it's going to be, oh, that movie came out in the 90s. It probably came out like 2 years ago. So here we are entering the first floor slash basement, kind of. Wow, this room is really messed up. Can see a sink back there, an old fan. Looks like this was a chalkboard for the kids to write on, and there's profanity on it now. Wow, this bathroom still looks fairly nice. Then we have a downstairs room that looks like it was being used as an office. You know, I kind of wonder, is that a crack pipe? Oh my god, I think that's a crack pipe. Well then. I should say that, oh my gosh, a Nintendo Switch. Oh, just the Mario Kart circuit. I should say that when I originally pulled up to this house, there is a pile of copper sitting in the driveway. And I'm not exactly sure if that was done there by the Intel people, or if it was done by scrappers. This is a massive freezer. Aw, says Donna, I love you, Jack. Okay, thank God there's no dead bodies in there. It looks mostly like paint. And let's go out here and see the garage area. So you can see there is the pile of scrap out there. Franklin insect spray. That looks like urine. Oh, the person here was a Knight of Columbus. That's not something you'd want to leave behind, I don't think. Some interesting equipment there. Wow, that's a water fountain. Very interesting. Lots of interesting stuff in this house. I kind of like it. Again, more children's stuff left behind. And, oh, there's a Star Wars book. Oh my god, and a skeleton key. Sound Storybook Treasury. I wonder if this works at all. That is great. And then there is another fridge in here. I really think this might be my new favorite. The blue house is really cool because it's new, but this house has so much left behind and so much character in it. And I apologize if there was a little jump there. I think I just had a camera issue for a second. Oh my goodness, look at all these books. 1980s Coulter's Encyclopedia, yearbook, some war books. Got the treadmill here, old lamp. The downstairs fireplace, really big old TV here. And it is all smashed up. This is a big George. We got the couch. Looks like we have a toy gun that was owned by someone named Brendan. And this looks like kind of like a little bar area they had down here. It's honestly really cute. I am hesitant, but mold. Oh god. That one was so bad that I couldn't open it all the way. That smelled terrible. Well, this has been an exploration of another one of the houses that Intel bought. I do think this one is my new favorite. It has so much left behind, so much character, and it's honestly really cool. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe. I will see you guys with next time with a brand new video, and thank you so much for watching.